That's my girl. Start with the wing. Looks like fun. Coming up, the art of balloons. We are talking about the World Balloon Convention that's right here in San Diego. Welcome back. I know, kind of impressive behind me. It's considered to be the Olympics of the balloon art world with large creations and competitions. It's all happening downtown San Diego. It's the World Balloon Convention. And here to give us a full-blown preview of this year's unique event are the queen of organic balloons, Katie Byrne, balloon engineer Hampton Bishop, and America's top balloon expert, Sandi Masori. Thank you all for coming in.
Hey, happy Balloon Day!
It's Balloon Day, apparently, too. How fun. All right, Katie, you are from?
Washington, D.C.
Hampton, you are from?
New York City.
Okay, I'm putting these two balloon experts to the test this morning. I want you to grab your balloon and get ready because I got the sunrise behind me. We got the San Diego water on each edge. On the count of three, I want you to make a fish. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's see what they can do. And we're off. Here we go. We're making a fish. Should I pretend I'm an impatient child at a birthday party?
It's not the children who are impatient, it's the parents.
It's the parents.
The children are fine.
Okay, so they're working on this and they're putting together a fish. Sandi, what's going on down there?
Yeah, so World Balloon Convention. This is the biggest balloon event. It happens only every 2 years, and it moves around every time from city to city. This is the first time we've had it in San Diego. The first time, and it is so exciting. And what it is, I mean, it's 1,000 balloon artists from 52 countries who come to learn and better their skills and make connections.
And let's see. Wait a second. I see something going on here. You coordinated this very well. Almost the exact same fish with the cute lips.
Almost.
So, yes. So
great minds.
Exactly. This really goes way beyond balloon animals.
It really does. So, for example, Katie and Hampton both, these columns are kind of fun.
Yeah.
But one of the things that we learn at convention, at World Balloon Convention, is how to take it to the next level. So, Katie, Hampton, I know that you both have some things prepared to
you have an assignment.
spruce them up. Yeah.
Okay, so you guys work on that, and then we'll check in with you in like 1 minute from right now.
Yeah.
So take to your columns.
So it's really amazing to be able to network with your peers from all over the country.
I didn't realize how many people are into this. You said people from 52 different countries.
52 different countries. There are 1,000 people. So one of the things that they do is they have an education program called the CBS, Certified Balloon Artist. Oh. And all three of us have that, have earned that certification. There's about 3,000 CBAs worldwide.
Okay, let's start at the very, very beginning.
Yeah.
How do you even get into something like this? Are you just kind of messing around at home and see if you're good at it?
You know, for most of us, it's really accidental. In fact, I think that you'll find if you ask,
how did you get into this?
Oh, I've been doing it my entire life. I've always loved balloons.
Even like as a child?
As a child.
Wow, okay.
Well, I always thought about balloons as Legos, so it's just building something bigger.
There you go.
Yeah.
Squishier Legos.
Squishier Legos.
Legos that when you step on, they don't hurt your feet.
And Katie, you also have an interesting story how you got into balloons.
I do. I started because I wanted to be a clown, and I thought that I needed a shtick in order to be a clown. Realized very quickly I was not a clown, but I really loved the balloons, and I've stuck with it ever since.
Well, so people are making full businesses out of this.
Yeah.
Because besides, as we mentioned before, making props for birthday parties.
Right.
I mean, you can make full we were saying in front of a balloon wall.
Right. So Katie is really known for doing these organic installations. She goes all over the country. She has a national company, and these are really hot for corporate events.
I was going to say.
Yeah.
You could see why people would want something that really makes a statement.
So I know people automatically go to birthdays, but it's so much more. And the World Balloon Convention, put on by Qualitex, that's the parent company, Qualitex. It's an amazing opportunity for us to learn, network, better our skills, learn better business skills, and then the competitions are unbelievable. Over 2 million balloons are used during the convention, and the competition pieces take about 500,000 balloons.
No kidding.
Yeah.
So we'll take a final look at the columns over here because we're almost out of time. Now, I know folks are wondering, you know, I'd really like to check this out for myself. It's not open to the public unless you win our contest, and we're going to put some contest information up on our screen right now. If you would like to go and check out the World Balloon Convention, go to our website, thecwsandiego.com. We have 2 family 4-packs to give away. You can check all this stuff out for yourself. Anything else people should know before they go?
just if you're lucky enough to win the tickets, you are in for such a treat. The level of detail with these it's like Disneyland. You know how Disneyland has these really unbelievable details? That's what's going on there.
That's what you'll check out.
And it's stuff that, I mean, even makes seasoned professionals like us just mouths drop.
Any tricks to making sure they don't pop, Hampton?
You gotta inflate them the right way.
There is a trick to that.
Don't be scared, just do.
And Katie, don't bring push pins. I bet that's your number one.
That is my absolute number one. Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much for all your hard work today. They literally came in with a big bucket of balloons, and during every commercial break in between all these shows, they've been putting together all of this. So impressive to say the least. Eric?
Just incredible. Just when you didn't think our studio could have any more hot air in it.